everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I appreciate y'all watching the channel. We got a product review this evening, and want to emphasize that this does not substitute mower videos that you see on the channel every Wednesday and Sunday. These are in addition to that. So it just helps open up avenues, these product reviews. And in the Halloween spirit, we're gonna, we had the Christmas tree, now we've got a Halloween tree. This box is really not that tall, not that big, so if you're looking for something compact for the Halloween holiday, give you a lot of space for minimal storage, and this is probably a good thing. I'll have the link in the description below of the product here. Like I said, just a Halloween tree, a small skinny Halloween tree. It should just come right up. So I'm going to get it out of the box, and we'll see what we've got in terms of assembly and all that good stuff. So, quick overview of the instructions here, it looks like. Looks like not too difficult. This is it. Even comes with a star. How about that? So these 3 feet slide into this piece here, and then subsequently these pieces just go on top of each other. And then you hang the tree on top of it. It's pretty easy. Even a cat could do it, right? And then the star will go on top of the tree. So let me put it together. If there's any hang-ups, I'll let you know, and we'll look at this product and see what it looks like. So here I've put the stand up. All it took of all of a minute. Now we'll put the tree on it. All we got to do, basically just take the tree and place it through here. There's a thing where it latches in at the top, and we'll put the star on it as well here. And you're pretty much done. I think that may have been off camera, but that's it. Get that box out of the way. We'll give you a final presentation and we'll wrap this video up. I don't know, sturdy wise, like how it does have a lot of like play, like you see right there. So you definitely want to put it in a corner of some sort, because if you don't, like if you got pets and whatnot that may be rough on things, it could easily fall down. But in terms of like a compact Halloween decoration, this doesn't take up much room at all. It's about 5.5 feet tall, foot wide. Stores in that little bitty box right there. Can't really ask for much more. So let's wrap this video up. Alright guys, so that is it. Nothing much to this. Those couple of pieces. Pop it on there. You just have to be careful because it can be top heavy, and the star, it's hard to kind of get lined up center, but I mean, for the price point, it's a Halloween decoration. Can't really beat it, I suppose. So especially Halloween's getting big. It seems it gets bigger and bigger every year, so decorations like this become more and more popular. If you're looking for just a cheap Halloween tree that's pretty compact, this is probably a decent buy for you. So I appreciate y'all watching the video as always. Remember, mower videos Wednesday and Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on Ellis Mowers YouTube channel. Thanks again for visiting me for the product review, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. See you then.